Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Greek salad dressing, only way. Combine olive oil and red wine vinegar in a 3:1 ratio, add lemon juice, whisk until emulsified, then fold in oregano and garlic. Taste and adjust salt and pepper, adding a pinch more olive oil if the dressing feels too sharp. Let it rest for 10 minutes so flavors meld, then toss with crisp vegetables and salty feta for a classic finish. Start with high-quality ingredients and simple technique for the clearest results. Pick a good extra virgin olive oil and a bright red wine vinegar or fresh lemon to balance oil. Crushed garlic and dried oregano bring classic Greek flavor, while a small pinch of sugar or honey can soften sharpness if needed. Whisk or shake briskly to emulsify, then taste and tweak, remembering a little salt enhances every ingredient. Technique matters more than complexity when making this dressing. Whisk vigorously or close a jar and shake until the oil and vinegar bind into a smooth emulsion. Mince garlic fine and let it sit in the dressing to lose raw edge. Always taste and adjust seasoning, adding a splash more vinegar or a touch more oil until balanced. Store briefly at room temperature before tossing so flavors harmonize with the salad greens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.